Did you take a shower? Well, your hair is not wet. Your socks and then your clothes is there on the sofa. Go. Hi guys, good morning! So we have a trip today. Actually, kanina pa dapat na-cancel lang yung flight namin. Dapat 7:15 yung flight namin. So na-move siya into 11:55 kasi ang sama ng panahon kanina. Kahapon pa. Time is 7:52. So iniintay lang namin na matapos lahat. And then magugora-gora bells na kami. Ganyan lang yung look natin today. Parang no makeup look. Hi guys, outfit check. That's our outfit for today. Uy, kahago.
Why don't we just go on the train?
Tired. Nice workout. B25. You have to go up. Then drop it. So if you want to work out, go in CBG Airport. Sobrang taas ng lalakarin mo as in. Making gathering. Huh? What? They don't know. We are here in the boarding gate. Time is 10:45 and our boarding time is 11:55. We play this game before love. We're going to the plane! Inside the plane.
Usually you can see like on the floor. Because there's a floor.
Alright.
So your seatbelt are tables and carry-on items and ensure your elements in the resting position. Bye.
Bye! Thank you! Taas ng tunnel, nasa underground kami guys. Lakas maka Fast and Furious. You feel like you're in a movie.
That 20 minutes was really short.
Again.
My heart was racing. Like so many others,
Let's
drawn to Chicago love, no? Looks like Chicago.
No, over there.
Oh.
Hi guys, we're already here in the hotel. So actually, hindi na ako nakapag-film masyado kanina kasi wala lang. Hindi ko din alam bakit hindi ako nag-film. Basta, ang importante, nandito na tayo sa hotel. And hinihintay ko lang si Spanish Bird matapos kasi nag-wash siya ng kanyang face. So, yeah, we're here already in the hotel, but hindi ko pa sinabi sa inyo, diba, kung saan kami pumunta. Sinabi ko lang na we have a trip, but I did not tell you guys where. So now, we are here. Hulaan nyo muna. Where? Anong hula nyo? Where am I right now? Well, guys, we are here in New York! So, nandito kami sa New York we're gonna stay here for 5 days. Kasi, a-attend kami ng, secret lang pala yun. Secret muna kung bakit nandito kami sa New York, okay? So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung outfit ko for today's video. So, ito yung outfit ko, and imagine, ang lamig dito sa New York. Kung malamig dun sa amin, mas malamig dito sa New York. Umalis kami sa bahay, 6 degrees yung temperature. Ngayon, pagdating namin sa New York, it's 3 degrees ngayon dito. So, mas malamig. Basically, mas malamig dito. And, tingnan nyo naman yung outfit ko, 'di ba? Yan lang yun siya. As in, wala akong coat, wala akong winter jacket. Ito lang talaga yung sinuot ko. And hindi ako nilalamig masyado. As in, para akong nagsuot ng winter jacket. Alam nyo kung bakit? Ito yung sikreto ko. Ayan. Sa ilalim, naglagay ako ng heat tech. Itong heat tech na to, nabili ko to sa Japan. And super ganda ng heat tech na to, as in super effective niya. As in heat tech talaga siya, ang init niya. Nabili ko to sa Uniqlo sa Japan. And then, I have this heat tech here too. Kita nyo yan? Oh, naka-heat tech din ako sa ilalim. Ayan. So, yun. Kaya effective siya. As in, hindi siya masyadong malamig talaga.
No. Hold on.
Wow.
Look at that. Huh? The Hershey is over there. At night, right?
I almost
When the
forgot
night...
that New York is a billboard. Hi!
Babe, say hi, babe. Looks like you're going to Akihabara sa Japan.
They're not as crazy
Or
as
sa
they seem.
Shinjuku. That one. Ang daming tao, guys. Sobrang saya dito. Ang daming nag-costume. Tingnan niyo kung sino nakita ko. Ayan. Merong ayan, nandyan pa si Cookie Monster. Andito na pala si Dahok.
There's too
Oh
many
my
for
gosh.
the popcorn.
Oo, andito pa si Spider-Man. Na si Cookie Monster, guys. Oh my gosh. Ay, andito pa si Statue of Liberty. Mash! You don't have to go to Statue of Liberty. It's there already. It's there already. No, it's okay. Thank you. Alam nyo guys, yung makikita nyo sa movie, it's literal. Ganito talaga. So guys, we are walking because we're so hungry and we're looking for food to eat. And look what we find.
What we found.
Long gram. Look what we found, guys. You know, mag-English, wrong grammar, but look what we found. Wait lang. I'm gonna do like this. Jollibee! Come inside. Open. We're going in. We're here. Naamoy ko na. Kilala nyo yan, guys. Buti pa si Jollibee, dumating ng New York. Love. Thank you. Oh, the brother. Hey, bro. Show your hat. Wow, social. Don't cover it because that's expensive.
Jollibee sponsor us.
Here, we're back in the hotel. And it's so cold outside. Ang lamig, grabe. Nanigas yung kamay ko. I'm gonna show you our
Why did you order
food.
spicy chicken?
Look at our food, guys. Wait. Look what we have. We have a lot of food. Thanks. Thanks the vlog.
You're welcome.
Ayan, so we're here. We're back. Kakain muna ako guys kasi gutom na talaga ako dahil. Itadakimasu.
Yourself, Steven.
First food here in New York guys, Jollibee. Let's eat, let's drink.